In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage forms in HubSpot step by step. If you're using HubSpot for marketing, lead generation, or customer data collection, knowing how to properly manage your forms is essential. Whether you want to edit a form, analyze performance, or simply organize everything more efficiently, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important features. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Forms tool inside HubSpot. After logging into your HubSpot account, go to the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. From the drop-down menu, select Forms. This will take you directly to your Forms dashboard, where all of your existing forms are stored and managed. Once you're inside the Forms dashboard, you'll see a list of all the forms associated with your account. This is where you can view, search, and filter your forms to quickly find what you're looking for. If you have a large number of forms, this section becomes extremely important. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find a search bar. You can search by form name to quickly locate a specific form. This is especially useful if you have naming conventions in place for campaigns, landing pages, or lead magnets. Next, you can filter your forms by type. HubSpot allows different types of forms, such as embedded forms, pop-up forms, blog comment forms, and more. By applying filters, you can narrow down the list and focus only on the type of form you want to manage. This makes it much easier to stay organized, especially if your marketing strategy uses multiple form types across different channels. You can also sort your forms based on different criteria. For example, you can sort by recent changes to see which forms were updated most recently. You can sort by performance to identify your top converting forms, or you can sort by owner to see which team member is responsible for each form. These sorting options help you quickly analyze and manage your forms without manually checking each one. Now let's talk about editing a form. If you want to make changes to an existing form, simply hover over the form you'd like to update. When you hover over it, you'll see several action options appear. Click on Edit. This will open the form editor, where you can modify fields, update labels, adjust form options, change automation settings, or update styling depending on your needs. Inside the editor, you can add new fields, remove unnecessary ones, rearrange the order of fields, and configure what happens after someone submits the form. For example, you can redirect users to a thank you page or display a custom confirmation message. Once you've made your changes, make sure to save or publish the form so your updates go live. Next, let's look at how to analyze form performance. To view analytics for a specific form, go back to the Forms dashboard. Hover over the form you want to analyze and this time click on View Performance. This will open the performance overview for that form. Here, you can see important metrics such as the number of views, submissions, and conversion rates. These insights help you understand how well your form is performing. If you notice that a form has a high number of views but low submissions, it might indicate that the form is too long, unclear, or asking for too much information. On the other hand, high conversion rates suggest that your form is optimized and aligned with user expectations. Regularly reviewing form performance allows you to make data-driven improvements. You can test shorter forms, adjust field requirements, or refine your calls to action to increase conversions over time. And that's it. That's how you manage forms in HubSpot, from navigating to the Forms tool, searching and filtering your forms, editing them, and analyzing their performance. Once you get familiar with this dashboard, managing your lead capture strategy becomes much more efficient and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.